Today, we will show you how to make interactive tab in Excel to move between sheets seamlessly and feels like in the web. Now, we create the first tab. Click Insert tab, then choose the shape. Then we clear the outline and group it the shape. Then we create the second in the third tab and fill it with different color. Now, we insert the text and put some text label to the tab. Now let's duplicate the sheet. And we have 3 sheet ready. Now create the link to each label and repeat to each sheet. Next, go to the second sheet. Change the text to About Us. Then, change the color to match the second tab, and send the first tab to back. And now we done with the second tab. Now, go to sheet no 3 and repeat the process. And we done. Now you can move between sheet more seamless. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for more daily tips. Thank you.